Hopefully you tried to work example 3 on your own before you started this video. Let's go over it. According to the National Highway and Traffic Safety Administration, the proportion of fatal traffic accidents in the United States in which the driver had a positive blood alcohol concentration is 0.36. Suppose a random sample of 105 traffic fatalities in the state of Hawaii results in 51 that involved a positive blood alcohol concentration. Does the sample evidence suggest that Hawaii has a higher proportion of traffic fatalities involving a positive BAC than the United States at the alpha equals 0.05 level of significance? So again, check the requirements. Is it simple random? Yes, the problem said it was a random sample, so we can assume that's simple random. N, our sample size, is 105, and P naught is 0.36. So doing the arithmetic, 105 times 0.36 times 1 minus 0.36 equals 24.192, which is definitely greater than or equal to 10, so we're okay. Is the sample size less than 5% of the population? We can assume that 105 traffic fatalities is less than 5% of all traffic fatalities. So now we're down to stating our hypotheses. So the null hypothesis is the proportion equals 0.36, and our alternate is that the proportion is greater than 0.36 because it asks if the sample evidence suggests that Hawaii has a higher proportion. So higher means greater than. The significance level, we were told, is 0.05. So now using our one prop Z test, we need to plug in the appropriate numbers. So back to the calculator, stat, over to tests, number 5, the one prop Z test. Our P naught is 0.36. X is 51 this time. And N is 501. No, 105. Sorry, muddled that around in my head. And we are greater than, so we need to pick the greater than P naught and go to calculate. The test statistic is 2.68, the Z, and our p-value is 0.0036. So test statistic 2.68 and the p-value is approximately 0.0036. And I suppose we should write what we plugged in. So P0 was 0.36, X was 51, N was 105, so let's make our decision. P-value is definitely less than alpha because our p-value was 0.0036 and alpha is 0.05. So that means we reject the null hypothesis. So to state our conclusion, there is sufficient evidence at the alpha equals 0.05 significance level to conclude that Hawaii has a higher proportion of traffic fatalities involving a positive BAC than the US. So let me just finish writing that. Aren't you thankful that you don't have to write this out yourself, that you just get to pick the correct sentence out of Pearson? Traffic fatalities. Okay, let's see. Well, no, I don't think we'll have time. There's one more example. It's slightly different, and so we'll cover that in the next video, and that will be the last one for section 10.2.